Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect brother printer to Wi-Fi, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your brother printer is powered on and ready. Locate the control panel on your printer. Press the menu or settings button on the control panel. Navigate to the network option using the arrow keys. Select WLAN or wireless, depending on your printer model. Choose Setup Wizard from the available options. Your printer will now search for available Wi-Fi networks. Once the list appears, use the arrow keys to find your Wi-Fi network. Select your network and press OK. You will now be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the control panel to input your password carefully. After entering the password, select OK to confirm. Wait a few moments for the printer to connect to the network. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. To ensure the printer is connected, print a test page. Check the test page for the network status. If the test page shows a successful connection, you are ready to print wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your Wi-Fi password in network settings. Now your brother printer is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.